Kasi yung club namin, na Filipino club, may event kami ngayon, which is yung Changi nga. This is our pre-gym. So yeah, the last few weeks haven't been the best for me.
Website page on Australia.com, like, come to her, and I'm gonna do like a TikTok showing all that.
So, ito na nga yung first time ko mag-commute simula uni pa uwi ng bahay, which is like a 2-hour commute or 1.5. So, haba nitong bus ride na to. And then, this is me navigating the station na I don't think I've ever been to in my whole life. But yeah, super layo kasi talaga ng uni sa bahay namin. So, ayan, kailangan ko mag-train, mag-bus, and all that. Low-key, walang tao dito, ako lang. So, andito na ako sa train station. And then, I'm gonna take this train, tapos magbabas ako papuntang Ellenbrook. And then, yun na yung last. Tapos nakaka-uwi na rin ako. It's coming in 2 minutes, apparently. And, like, walang katao. Ako lang nandito. Kinda scary. Pero buti, maaga-aga, ano na ngayon, parang pa-summer na. So, kahit magsi-6 na or 5, may araw pa rin. But yeah, kinda pretty. Ano, pa-sunset pa lang. So, I just got home. Anong oras na ngayon na? Magsi-7 na. But may parcel akong i-open. So, let's open this. Kasi lately, na-addict na naman ako sa mga makeup. Ayan. Bumili lang ako nung nauuso ngayon na yung dinalagay sa cellphone. The lip products. Ang cute. Online store. Ayan. So, bumili ako nitong Lano Lips na panglagay sa phone para malagay mo yung lip balm mo sa phone. Wala na siya kasamang lip balm. So, bumili din ako ng Summer Fridays kasi matagal ko na itong gusto. Charon, ang cute! Yan, ito yung Summer Fridays. Bala ko siya ipalit dito. Gaganyan mo lang siya. Diba? Lakas makarot. Oh, that's really nice. Hi guys! So, today is Friday and normally, wala talaga akong pasok ng Friday sa uni. Kaya lang today is may event ako. May event kami sa CFSS, which is yung Curtin Filipino Society doon. Parang club siya, uni club. And we joined it this semester. And meron parang anniversary event nung club. Birthday event, ganyan. So, we're gonna be there kasi we're gonna be posting sa Instagram mga same-day stories. And, ayun. Ayun ang gagawin namin today. And I'm kind of nervous. Hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi siguro, first event ko and I don't know what we're doing. But, we'll figure it out. Ewan ko, ganun ako lagi. Pag may pupuntahan akong anything social with other people na hindi ko laging kasama, parang tinatamad ako. Ayoko pumunta pag before the event. Pero pag nandun naman ako, okay na. Pero, ewan ko, I think it's just me being an introvert. So, I'll see you guys there. Hanggang kung makakapag-vlog ako or makakapag-focus na lang ako dun sa event. But, yun lang. Share ko lang yung thoughts ko. Kasi hindi ko pa pala share na pumunta nga kami. Nag-join nga kami ng club. So, ayun. We've been to like 2 meetings pa lang. Kasi, pupunta lang ako kasi yung friend ko may placement na nga siya. So, she can't go on certain days as busy na rin siya. So, hindi naman ako makakapunta din kasi late at night na yun. So, mga 5. Tapos matatapos yung mga 7 or 8. 1 hour and 30 yung transpo ko back home. So, yeah. So, hindi ako pwede kasi gabing-gabi na yun kung gano'n nangyayari. Hopefully, I can vlog later pero we'll see. So ayun, dumating na nga kami sa uni and ito yung place ng karaoke night ng club. Actually, itong place na to, sa uni lang din namin to. Kaso, hindi ko lang siya talaga pinapansin. Ngayon ko lang siya napansin nung nag-event na nga kami dyan. So, ayun lang naman, naglaro-laro lang ng mga games, ganyan. Tapos kanta-kanta, of course, because it's a karaoke night. And hindi na ako sumali sa mga games. Finilm ko na lang sila. Yun na lang yung excuse ko. Kasi part ako ng social media department ng club. So, and kami yung naatasan talaga. Kami yung na-assign to film content for it. So, ayun lang ginawa ko. Hindi na ako sumali sa games. Watching Jungkook's docu today. So I'm watching it with my uni friends na meet ko na K-pop BTS fans din. And this is what I'm wearing. Ayan. Hindi ako nag-wear ng green yung sinuot ko kasi diba green yung golden. So that's the inspiration sa green outfit ko ngayon. And yeah, I'm basically ready. Kapatid ako kaya mama, so I'm just waiting for them to get ready as well. Ayan. And yeah, we're gonna watch the movie. Binook namin siya like ages ago. Tapos nakita ko ngayon sa Hoyts, yung sinehan dito. Fully booked yung buong theater. So, good thing we booked it early and hindi kami nag-rely na ngayon na lang magbo-book. Kasi nakikita nga namin mapupuno na siya. So, nagmadali na kayo mag-book ng time na yun. So, anyways, and I do have an assessment due Friday and it's Wednesday ngayon, so medyo may mga alikabok na yan. Medyo stress ako, but whatever. Oops. We'll get it done somehow. But right now, gusto ko lang ma-enjoy yung movie. And yeah, I'm so excited kasi ito yung first time kong magiging excited sa movie sa sinihan, as in. But yeah. So, ayun na nga, buti na lang umalis kami ng mas maaga-aga kasi magkaroon parang may accident or something na super traffic and halos on time lang ako nakarating. 6:30 yung movie, mga 6:28, 27 na ako nakarating sa mismong mall. But ayun, nagpahatid na lang ako kila mama at papa kasi ang layo nun and ang hirap mag-commute. And then yung friends ko, syempre meet up ko lang din kasi walang nagdadrive sa amin. So doon na lang kami talaga nagkita-kita sa sinihan. Ayun. So, eto naman yung nag-Perth Royal Show kami, which is parang perya siya of some sort na may mga shows, fireworks, and yung mga games na ganyan. Nanalo yung friend namin. And, ayan, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-extreme rides kasi nakakatakot. And, yun nga, medyo may anxieties tayo sa mga ganyan. Lalo na nga dyan sa part na yan kasi si-set up lang nila yan sa parang isang showground. So, hindi siya permanent dyan. Ayan, ito pa yung isang sasakyan ng mga friends ko. Pero hindi na ako sumakay kasi nakakatakot. Bumabalik na talaga siya. Tapos nung sumakay sila, ang galing. Nag-start yung fireworks. Last year, pumunta rin kami dito. Pero nanood talaga kami ng fireworks. This year, yan lang namin talaga siya naabutan. Hindi na kami umupo dun sa area kung saan may fireworks. So, yan. Panoorin nyo na lang. So, I'm back at uni and it's week 11 or 12. I think it's week 12 actually. Week 11 in terms of... Ano bang week na ngayon? I think it's week 12. Pero, teaching week, week 12, teaching week 11, I think. I've been dying from assessments this past few weeks and hindi na ako nakapag-keep up sa mga lectures ko. Masyadong kinain ng assessment yung oras ko that I wasn't able to do my lectures. So, I think I skipped my classes for like a long time. I'm not gonna say how long, but the last few months or weeks hasn't been the best. Yeah, the last few weeks hasn't been the best for me. I wasn't in a good place mentally and physically. Tingnan nyo, super breakout ako yung skin ko. Naglagay ako ng 2 pimple patch dyan. Kasi super like pangit ng skin ko dahil hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos for like the past 2 to 3 weeks or the whole month of September nga eh. But yeah, all the assessments are finally done. I'm back to going to my classes for the last 2 weeks. Kasi 2 weeks na lang and then bakasyon na namin. But I do have assessments. Tapos na yung teaching week pero meron pa akong assessment na kailangan tapusin. So, that's what I'm gonna do. But right now, I'm gonna focus on watching my lecture. I booked this room kasi mas nakakapag-focus ako pag nasa loob ako ng room. And I bought coffee. Ayun. Nagdala ko. Sarap. Coffee ko lang to. Ay, coffee ko. Hindi. Mochona na yung normal na coffee lang. But yeah. So, it's currently 8 and I have class at 10. I'm finally attending that class after ilang weeks kong hindi pag-attend. Oh, I'm catching up slowly. And yeah, just trying my best at this point. I just want to pass my units again and then we'll try again to do better hopefully next year. Kasi after these 2 weeks and after I handed all my assessment, I'm basically done with my first year of uni. Wala na kasi akong exam, yun na lang yung mga kailangan ko, yung mga term papers and assessments na lang yung kailangan ko tapusin. But yeah, I wish I could have vlogged during those last weeks na nagsastruggle talaga ako. But as I've said, like, I couldn't even sleep. So I don't even think I had the time to actually vlog. It's kind of sad that this is the last week and I wasn't really able to enjoy the last few weeks because of my poor time management.
그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 네 맘 전하고 싶어.
Going to my class at 10 na kasi, so I'm on my way. Hindi ko naman nasa yung bag ko. Anyways, it's like that.
Look a little like blogs with very short posts. Each page is personal and has updates from friends. Or that Julia in London was reading a new investment book. The little messages from Twitter painted a picture of her friends.
Between Twitter as it was then and now, because it has changed significantly, and not just because of it.
Hi everyone! So, today is... Natin ilaw madilim. Okay. Today is Tiangge Day. Kasi yung club namin, na Filipino club, may event kami ngayon, which is yung Tiangge nga. Nalulobot na yung camera ko kaya nagmamadali ako. But, ayun nga event namin for today. So, I'm just getting ready. Ito yung fit. Ayan, I don't know if you can see. Pero, kasi spring daw yung theme. Dapat nga, like, casual wear lang suotin ko. Tapos biglang, sabi, dress pretty and pogi daw. So, tapos spring yung theme. So, ano lang yung naisip kong damit. And yeah, I'm waiting for the bus in 23 minutes. Okay, nag-switch na ako sa phone ko dahil, tawag dito, nalobat na yung cam. Hindi ko pala na-charge. Ito dapat yung inaatupag ko, i-charge yung camera. But I got ready. Try ko lang maglagay nitong ganito, yung eyeshadow sa mata. So, yun sa corner ng eyes. Actually, hindi ko makita dito. I don't know if that looks stupid or intentional, pero, ayan. Dapat ang plan ko today is maglilinis muna ako ng room before leaving. Kaso anong oras na ngayon? Magpa-5 na. Magbabas na ako dun sa house ng friend ko and then we're going together from her house. So, ayan. Ito yung napili kong fit. So, yung green skirt ko, tapos itong bag. Yung gift sa akin na bag. Ayan. Ito yung vibes. Ayan. Medyo nga mainit na ngayon. Ewan ko ba't ako magsuot nito. But, like, it's a good, pag medyo malamig, at least hindi ako masyadong lalamigin. Pag mainit naman, hindi ako masyadong initan. So, ayan. This is the fit. And so, this is the fit. Ayan. It's 6:06. Did you get there by? 6:10.
No, we have to get there
It's like,
earlier.
yeah, because we have to walk. So, are you parking?
But
It's 6:06.
it's not even my fault.
It's
the cars. All the cars are.
The blue car that
All
you
the
were
cars
in.
are so slow. Literally, I'm like. I wasn't even speeding. The speed limit was 80. My plan was to go 90, but I was going 70.
Apologize.
Oh my gosh, it's green.
There you go.
Okay, I can't.
Fast
go
and
see.
Furious.
These cars are so slow.
I'm running to this. This is our pre-trip. So here, I asked my friend Joyce to come kasi may pasok siya nung araw na yon. Sabi ko, punta ka dito. And pumunta naman siya, which is so nice of her. And ayan, nagla-line up lang kami for a photo booth. Love that song! Till I'm in the grave. My lip gloss is done. Look, say hi. Strawberries! Chocolate. Wait, chocolate covered strawberries.
Magnetic force of a man to be mine.
We're getting chips always, lunch, early lunch because it's 10 and I have a weird schedule. The lighting's good here. Oh. We just finished our first tutorial at 8 AM, which is like the worst time to be at uni. I'm like a regular customer here. That's a year. Yeah.
Because I'm
Oh, because it's the same. Yeah.
Excludes all of them.
That's what would happen if I did it within the same faculty. So if I did another business course.
And Technology Module 2.2.
And dreaming if I lose my voice, the second I get